Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of Four. Today we are checking into Saratoga Springs, so come on along.
Welcome home.
All right, here we go, walking up to the main building. I tell you, it was crazy busy right here just 2-3 minutes ago whenever we parked. But it seems to have gotten everybody through really quick. This is the Bell Services drop-off area. We are going to walk into the carriage house and see about checking in. They got a lot of stuff right here at the front. Artist palette is also in here as well. And here we go inside the carriage house check-in area as you come through this way. You have the artist palette. You of course have the DVC info booth and one of the best swag shops in town. All right, now let's get checked in and go check out the room. All right, here we go. We are checking into room 5832 here in the paddock section of Saratoga Springs. First off, hat rack. Walk in adjoining room. As usual with DVC, you've got a microwave, you've got a coffee maker. This one has a Keurig and a pot. This is also a refrigerator with a freezer section, not a beverage cooler. You know the difference because this has got a solid door on it for you. As we look up into the cabinets, we do have paper and plastic, not stoneware, but you know what? Hey, it's okay for now. Here's your closet with your safe and your dryer. Your iron and your ironing board, extra pillows, blankets, coat hangers, whatnot. Here's your vanity section. They have moved to the hand lotion pumps and hand soap pumps, liquid pumps, which is a really cool thing, I think. Here we go into the shower and toilet area. Again, you have the pumps mounted to the wall and the double rainfall shower with the glass doors. As we come in, these rooms have been refurbished. We've done a couple of videos before of them. You have the queen size bed, the Murphy bed, of course. Plenty of storage space here. You also have more storage underneath the bench. I am a huge fan of this bench. I know a lot of people like the fold down bed, but this just gives you so much open space to be able to hang out. And of course, you have the couch area that drops right on down to being the Murphy bed. And there you go. You do have a balcony. We are right at the pool. As a matter of fact, I can see Renee and Scott and Kathleen sitting right over there. So there we go. There you have it. That is Saratoga Springs Paddock Studio. And you know we like to say, don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four.